Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of Is it really worth your time and money, or just another overhyped AI tool? I've personally tested it, explored all the features, the pros, the cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether or not it's the right fit for you. So stick around, you definitely don't want to miss this one. And if you want to know more about the product, or grab any special bonuses, check the link in the description below. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews. Use fresh and trending social content to create perfect articles that rank fast and drive traffic effortlessly. Get traffic in any niche with content that catches the latest topics, trend and keywords. Create articles in any language supported by AI. Even translate and rewrite articles from other languages. Danger: bad content is hurting you. Google doesn't rank AI content without depth and user value. Google has made this clear over multiple updates that it does not rank content that is low value. That means low value content that doesn't have depth. Their focus is on rewarding people first content. People first. You need to have content that's written with people in mind, and who better to do that than people? Warning: ChatGPT fail. Prompt-generated AI articles don't rank either. Don't expect to get traffic if your modus operandi to write articles is, ChatGPT, write a 800-word article on your topic. This is what Google ranks: EEAT, experience, expertise, authority, trustworthiness. All human qualities. Google is looking for authority, experience, and a human touch, and that's exactly why if you are still using ChatGPT or poorly made one-click AI writers that don't humanize content, then you cannot ever rank. Problem: AI doesn't do fresh ACE, are locked to their training and can't think beyond them easily. Ask an AI to write an article, and even if you give it the structure, it'll still rely on its internal training and information to write it. That means you're always getting articles that are aged and often out of date. What's the way out? Don't give AI the topic, give it the content. This is where our opportunity comes in. Feed social content to AI. The best way to create high-quality AI content is to repurpose human content. That's right. Give AI human-generated content that has new facts, new angles, and a human thought process, and it can do a great job of representing it, filling the gaps and stylizing it to prepare a 100% fresh, relevant and quality article that Google will love to rank. Brainwave: what if you let social media power your articles? How would you like an endless supply of fresh articles written on hot, trending topics? Anything that happens comes to social media first. That's the right place to find the best trending topics, ideas, and keywords. Imagine tapping into social on full auto and getting the best articles done for you with nothing more than a click. Safeguard your business: 100% safe, legal and ethical to use. Avoid costly penalties and protect your brand's reputation. Articalize doesn't just rephrase, it intelligently transforms and reinterprets content, ensuring semantic uniqueness and complete originality. You can mix content from multiple sources and even do your own modifications powered by AI or manually to make your work even more original. The result is, you get 100% original content that passes Copyscape and AI tests easily. Protect your brand, safeguard your business and website with content that is genuinely unique and unplagiarized. Intelligent transformation: our cutting-edge ACE reinterpret and augment content, ensuring it's fresh, original, and highly effective. Total peace of mind: focus on your message, knowing your content is always safe, legal, and ethically generated. Create fresh and original articles, exactly the kind that Google loves to rank. Google's algorithm prioritizes fresh, original content to deliver the best search results. Create it, and you'll rank higher, faster. Articalize doesn't just write, it helps you uncover untapped angles and trending topics from social media, ensuring your content is genuinely fresh and stands out. Start from scratch or tap into social media to find fresh, trending topics and content ideas. Rank higher with topics that are not exploited to death already. Leveraging cutting-edge AI models, Articalize help you write the best content that you've ever created. Post your articles to WordPress or Tumblr with one click. Articalize not only writes the articles but also posts them for you with just one click. Imagine skipping the tedious copy-pasting and formatting headaches in your CMS. If you're using WordPress or Tumblr, simply connect Articalize and instantly post perfectly formatted, high-quality articles directly to your blog. Eliminate painstaking copy-pasting and formatting, freeing up your time for more strategic tasks. Instant publishing, get your content live on your blog faster than ever before, maintaining consistent publishing schedules. Ensure your articles look professional and are perfectly optimized for your WordPress or Tumblr site, every time. Turn an idea or a hook into a detailed article with just a click. AI is great at fleshing out ideas, filling in the gaps and putting in related information and analysis. You can start off with just an idea and get a complete detailed article with case studies, quotes and data. Articalize even creates the graphics for it. All it takes is just one click with Articalize. Create a detailed and comprehensive article with just one post or sentence. No need to worry about thin content or low quality. Articalize solves that with its unique algorithm. Social media is full of ideas, make the best use of them. Go to number 1 in traffic by creating ranking articles from YouTube videos. Found a brilliant YouTube video or podcast that's perfect for your next article? Stop the endless note-taking and painstaking writing. No need to slog. Articalize transforms raw transcripts into polished, long-form articles with just a click. Never feel you're short of ideas or running out of content again. Write quality content based on a YouTube video and rank for the hottest new topics. Perfect for analysis, case studies, reports, journalistic articles in any niche. Use other people's YouTube videos to make your article in a 100% legal and permissible manner. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.